Today you'll see Ty bottle his hot sauce and you'll see the family's reaction to it.
Alright, now we got everything bottled up. You can see the chunks here. The seeds are still in there, so it's ready to go. Then we're going to blend it. This has been sitting in this jar for maybe about 2 to 3 weeks right now. And here we go. Some blenders you will have to separate the liquids from the solids, but this one, the Ninja blender that we have, sponsor us Ninja, we don't have to do any of that, so this makes the process a lot easier. Speed times vary on different blenders. On this one we just hit the extract and it got everything out. That's pretty good pulverizing everything. And then I typically like a thicker sauce than more liquidy one. A quick check for consistency, and I'm gonna put it back on for a little bit more. Back on tight. We don't want any accidents with the level of Scoville units that we use today. Oh yeah, look at that. That's great consistency. And now I'm going to put it inside this cup that my wife made. Ugh, this is hot. I definitely should have been wearing my gloves, but just want to make sure you keep the cross-contamination down. Because once again, the Scoville units will burn you. Just in between mixes, I just want to clean up a little bit of the excess. And I'm using these 99% bacterial fogs that just absorb everything. They're called Norwax. I'll leave a link in the description below.
Be sure to let us know if you want to try some or if you have any ideas for another video.
This is exactly the right color I was going for, and I like the little seeds that are in there. That over time, that's just going to get spicier and spicier. This is going to be good.
I'm going to try it. Oh, cheese will stop you. Not a bad one. It's good. It's hot. It's hot. It's good. I like hot. But my tongue is still ain't no joke. Ain't no joke. My tongue. Why does it progress? But it like gets hot in the beginning. But it's like it's a match right now. My tongue is like nuts together. Did you sit there with snot? If it's burning like that going in, what is it coming out? My tongue is still she need a little bit of milk. Doesn't like it. Trina gave some to
No.
She went, it's like with spicy, I like it. I know, it's like I like it, but it's like my tongue is it's like painful.
Bread. That's it on the bread. Yeah, put it on the bread, baby. Mix our trust me.
My tongue is just too easy. I was just thinking, like, this is not good. When I need to get, yeah, you need to sell that to people who can't stop sucking their thumb.